Welcome to another episode of Making It Keto, and today we're going to be making a chocolate ice cream with chocolate chips and walnuts in it. Let's get into it. All right, everyone, before we start, I'm going to let everybody know that I'll be having all the exact amounts and ingredients linked in the description box below. So right now, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to get out a blender because we're going to blend all our ingredients together. So what you want to have in a blender, you want to have 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of almond milk, 4 large egg yolks, just the yolks, and 4 tablespoons of MCT oil. All right, once we have those ingredients in, we're going to go ahead and add in our cocoa powder. We're also going to go ahead and add in our allulose, and then we're going to go ahead and add in a pinch of salt. Okay, once we have all our ingredients in, we're going to go ahead and put on the lid, and we're going to go ahead and mix everything. So guys, take your time here. You want to make sure everything's mixed well. So if you have to stop, push things down to get it incorporated, I highly advise it. All right, once everything's mixed together, we're gonna get our ice cream maker out. So guys, from here on, you just wanna follow the instructions on your ice cream maker. I have one of the nostalgia ones off of Amazon, but any one will work. And also, if you don't have ice cream maker, you could just pour this in the freezer container or something and just freeze it. And then when you're ready for it, you can just let it sit out a little while and, melt a little bit, and then you can enjoy it. All right, guys, so you want your ice cream to look like this. You see how smooth that is, guys? So right now is where you can go ham. You can add anything. I did chocolate chips and walnuts, but you guys can choose what you want to add into it. It's completely up to you. As you saw, that was the last of my walnuts, but yeah. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and turn your ice cream maker back on and get everything mixed. And there you have it, guys. Look how smooth that is. That looks just like real ice cream, guys. No more spending money on expensive store-bought ice cream. You can now make your own. All right, guys, this pairs well with my keto peanut butter brownies. You guys go check that out too. This ice cream would go ham with that. So if you guys get a chance, go and check out that video and make these two in combination. Listen, y'all, we making keto easy by making everything keto. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like the content. Subscribe to the channel for weekly updates. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.